Hello, for this demonstration I'm going to show you how to paint a poppy in watercolour. It's a lovely yellow golden poppy. I'm just going to go straight in. I'm going to try and make it nice and big for you. Okay. So normally when I'm painting, as long as you get the brush really nicely loaded, and when you're doing a poppy you just want to get a really nice simple shape of the way that it's going. Get lots of water on there so you can just enjoy trying to get the simple shape that you can see of this lovely poppy, whether it's going down. Got this really nice cup shape going. So now I'm going to scoot that up. Yeah, that's good. There. That. So what I'm doing now is I'm just trying to sketch the shape that I'm after, and then I'm just going to fill that all in, and it's got a lovely, quite a nice tattered edge actually. So all I'm doing is I'm just pulling it all forward, so you just get a nice, I don't know, nice frilly edge the way that it's working. Let's get that a bit more frilly. Yeah, I quite like that. Now we need to do some lifting out because it looks all very samey, doesn't it? So let's do some lift out there. So I'm just slowly dragging it. Let's do a little bit there. And a bit there. Oh yeah, we want it lifted out. There. And a bit there. And a bit there. That's getting better. Okay, and then we're going to, when we do that, we're going to get hold of our brush, hold it on its tippy toe, and we want to get it going in like that. Look at that, lovely. Just give that a little bit of encouragement. Now it's going to be, yeah, nice and bright. So just, you know, just let that run down in the way that's going. And we can have, where we have it, over here. Let's go. And let's just have a head, shall we? So I just pressed it with the side of my, so we'll get a nice edge. And then shall we have just another one perhaps down here to show you where it would look nice. Let's just have it going the other way, shall we? So, practicing with my hand, trying to work out where it's going to go. Let's do it over here. So let's do a flick like that. And then this one's a bit fatter actually. So let's do a nice cup shape. Oh yeah, that's quite nice. And then we want a bit of weight in the bottom there, don't we? Pull that down. There we go. A little bit tatty on there. And then so this run down. So I'm slowly lifting out so I can get some interest where I want it to be, just by doing that. And then I can turn this on its side just so I can get a better angle. So let's just drag that edge down. Oops, I'm using quite a big brush actually. Let's just bring that down. just to get that edge a bit better. There we go. Just a little sketch. And then you could do that again for there if you wanted to. And then if you want to emphasise it a bit more, we can go, now that that's nearly dry or drying, we could say, right, I want to do a bit darker here. Yeah, we've got a darker bit there. And we just soften that edge there, right, just catching the light. And going over like, there we go. Suppose you can just start it off as a starting point and then just see where you want it to take you. There we go. Yeah, I'll stop there.